Welcome back. In the previous video, we were able to build the Pokey search result component, the static component of course. In this video, we are quickly going to build the search box. This is just an input box. This is just an input field. Nothing rocket science behind this. So this is going to be very simple. Let's quickly, very quickly deal with this one. And after that, we are going to jump on to the complex one very quickly. Cool. So let's get back to our app.tsx, and now we know that we have a Pokédex, and in here we have two separations. First one is the Poké list container and second one is the Poké search result container. This is in the left hand side, this is in the right hand side. So let's create a search box component, new folder, as you all know, search box, and let's create a React component in TypeScript. And let's also create a CSS file for the same. Awesome, this is perfect. Let's import the CSS file .css. Let's see how quickly we can finish the styles this time. Const search box equal to, you all know this thing very well now. I think there should not be any difficulty in understanding this part. Export default search box, and then we are going to return an input where let's name the class name of this input. Let's keep it search. Let's keep the type equal to search once again, and let's keep the placeholder to be search Pokemons. This seems perfect, and let's close this input box. Very cool. And now let's create the designs for this very quickly. Border none, we don't want any border. Padding 15 pixels, very cool. Width 250 pixels, and border, again border, we can keep it to be 1 pixel solid, and a dark color, the same as the previous things that we already saw, 120, 136, and margin to be of 15 pixels as well. And again, you already know the font family is going to be our super cool press start 2p with cursor. That's very good. And now we can quickly import that in our Pokédex. We can quickly remove the list of Pokemon heading here, and instead we can import the search box. As you can see, my VS Code automatically imports the React components for me. If it does not do for you, you have to manually type it, import searchbox from searchbox/searchbox. This is super cool. So now we have the search box here, which can do the thing for us. And now in the next video, let's finalize the Poké cards as well. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video very quickly.